Crumbs happen. Dust happens. Life moves forward, but unless we take a break to clean, the dust stays. We wanted people to experience the benefits of modern cleaning automation without the ridiculous price point. So we created Miravac. Miravac is the perfect balance of quality engineering and affordability to bring your home into the modern generation of daily cleaning techniques. We have created our device to include everything needed from a robot vacuum. Miravac cleans on a controlled schedule that you set however you want. It fits under the small spaces, in between the tight areas, and captures the dust and crumbs that might have never been noticed. Using a variety of movement patterns, you can help set Miravac to the best pattern for you and your home to ensure that the entire area is clean the way you want it to be. Miravac hosts one of the most powerful motors on the market for reliable suction on tough areas and a consistent performance. After it's done with its cycle, Miravac returns itself to its dock, where it can stay out of the way and charge for the next cleaning. The dust tray holds enough space for the entire room and is easily cleaned out. The system has easy-to-reach controls on the device, the dock, and its own remote control. You can control schedules, motor power, movement patterns, or even control it manually. We designed this to be the ultimate in home cleaning technology. You can use your Miravac on all home floor surfaces to keep your home looking fresh every day. Sit back and enjoy a clean home while the technology does the work. We designed 2 models for the campaign release. While they are based on the same design, they each have unique features that make them special. It has taken a little while to get us here, but we are now proud to bring Miravac to the world. Check out our crowdfunding campaign and see how you can get this piece of home tech at a great price with our exclusive campaign deals. Start keeping your home feeling fresh every day with the power of Miravac. Miravac, cleaning solutions for your peace of mind.
A new day, a new start with JISIWEI Robot S Plus at your service, fully charged. Elegant, energetic, and smart. Yes, it is JISIWEI S Plus. It's showtime. JISIWEI's built-in Wi-Fi allows for remote control. Wherever you are with a smartphone or a tablet, S Plus's camera will show you any event in your home. You can activate S Plus remotely to return to a beautiful, clean home. You can capture all the joyous moments. S Plus keeps you together with your family, anytime, anywhere. Or use cloud to store and share pictures. S Plus is remote controlled, camera enabled, and ideal for vacuuming and sweeping. More than just a robot, she's your faithful housekeeper. S Plus has a pioneering dual-mode anti-scratching system with 15 sets of front contact sensors, 2 times more sensitive than common cleaning robots. The TPU sensing film, which is only found on S Plus, protects both your furniture and S Plus itself. In sophisticated circumstances, the bi-wheel velocity measurement technology helps S Plus to either get over obstacles or back up to avoid getting stuck. S Plus is capable of working continuously for 120 minutes without recharging. When recharging is needed, S Plus will automatically find and dock at the charging station. S Plus is safer, quieter, more durable, and more intelligent than any other vacuum robot. She makes your life relaxing and convenient. S Plus is the first cleaning robot that truly looks after your home. JISIWEI S Plus, not just a robot.
Ever wonder how clean your floors really are? You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-clean. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.
toilet again? We invented technology that cleans the floor, cleans windows, trims the lawn, washes dishes, and cleans the laundry. But only for the assignment we hate the most, there's no solution. Until now. Introducing SpinX, a revolutionary toilet cleaning robot that cleans your toilet bowl and seat automatically in just 90 seconds. SpinX was designed to make your toilet cleaning experience more efficient. At the touch of a button, it makes your toilet clean and shiny. A smart sensor scans your toilet shape, and a smart robotic arm goes out of a hidden cell and gets to every spot in the bowl. Equipped with a jet of water and soap, the brush rapidly rotates even underwater. Dirt and bacteria don't have a chance. You won't need to take care of anything. The brush cleans and dries itself, killing up to 99.99% bacteria. Even the seat gets clean. Soap and water jets are washing the seat thoroughly, followed by a compressed air drying it perfectly. And when it's all done, SpinX returns back to its elegant and luxurious look. SpinX operates on low power consumption. Every 30 sessions, charge the battery and add your favorite soap. SpinX is suitable for every toilet. Even at the office, you can continue to take care of your business instead of your toilet and save precious time. Forget about cleaning the toilet forever. Perfect cleaning has never been easier. SpinX, the world's first automatic toilet cleaning robot.
Hi, my name is Ariel.
And I'm Hila. We have 4 children and we hate to clean the toilet.
That's why we created SpinX. We've built an amazing team of engineers and designers, and we've created a smart product that saves time and effort.
We have completed the design and have sourced the manufacturers. Now we are ready to make the last adjustments and go to production. In order to bring SpinX to families and businesses around the world, we need your support to produce SpinX at an industrial scale. Thank you.
I'm Nick Wesley, one of the co-founders of Urban Rivers, and I want to talk about our trash robot. Trash is everywhere, so let's clean it up. We need your help to build a device to remove this from the Chicago River. In June, thanks to your help on Kickstarter, we were able to install a floating garden to clean the Chicago River. The problem, though, is we started to get a lot of trash accumulation throughout the season. Birds and other wildlife would then have to deal with this onslaught of garbage. So, we did what anyone would do. We tried to clean it up. First, we scooped it out with nets. Problem, it came too fast. Then, we decided to find a solution that would always be there. So we built this trash robot that can be operated by anyone, anywhere, at any time. This is something where anybody can just log on, get a couple minutes, clean up some bottles from the river, and really make an impact. Players will be able to control this robot in real life directly from their computer. They will use it to remove trash from the river and gain points for doing so. The robot will fill its hopper, dump at one of our collection points, where one of our team members will come, sort, and remove this trash. Users will be able to see through the robot's eyes as they're collecting this trash, getting it out of the river and making it safer for the ducks, geese, and other wildlife who live in that area. We really hope that one day this game is just so boring because there's no more trash left to clean. We have assembled a TrashBot task force to tackle this issue head on. This group consists of people from a diverse background, people who have experience in web development, people who have built drones, people who build MRI machines. Part of Urban River's mission is to create a wildlife-first approach to the problems facing our rivers. Now, this is just the beginning. This is capable of so much more. First, it's trash. Next, wildlife monitoring, fish monitoring, finding ways to interact and create a really functional habitat. We believe this device needs to be open source. We want to create a community around cleaning rivers. Become an early supporter of this project and help us clean the Chicago River.